of a formation or in the course of a series. Trace, first down, you may be at safety. Third down, you may get moved to rover. Fourth down, you may get moved to middle linebacker. Y'all understand? Black, same thing. Lock in. This is where we're going to win it at. This is where we're going to dominate. This is where we're going to take control. To the left side. Black, you over here. Low, you over there off the ball. Brayshawn, you connected to the line. Go, get on the ball. Lyman, go get it. DeMarcus, hey, go get it.
Brayshawn,
look,
DeMarcus,
hey, it's 4th and
they're going to try to come.
3.
You understand?
What are we going to do?
Let's go. You seen the running back coming? You went inside the 44, so you won't make a sound. What are we scared of, man? What? Just tell me. It's okay. You the one that gotta lead. They see you like that, they not gonna do it. You did your job. All right? Good plan, boy.
Coach B proud today, I'll tell you that. That's what I like. They don't even know. They don't even know what we dealing with. They don't even know. But guess what? We gonna step across them lines and we gonna bang every day time we come out there. That's all that matter to me. Whoever, the 11 out there is gonna bang. Honey Badger stepped up, making plays. Thank you. Abraham, where you at?
Black.
Making some plays. Black, 2 kicks. Ray Sean ran and kicked back. Guys, we punched them in the mouth. And trust me, they were not expecting that. We good. Let's heal up. Let's get over this. And tomorrow, we know we got our soldiers. All our soldiers. Right? Cap, get up, break us out. It's football. It happens. Next play.
Come on, we good, y'all. Come on, y'all, we good. Y'all